The project browser. Choose Project and then select Browser. Browse Project window allows you to see events and other data in a list-based way. This is good for finding that exact thing you need to change. Basically, the browser is the project page, but in a text value form. Whatever changes you make here are instantly reflected in the project page. On your left, you'll see the structure list. This is a listing of all your tracks, automation, VST instruments, groups, tempo tracks, etc. On the right is the event display. This is where you view and edit parts, events, and regions. I can see that everything is in a folder, which is in the project page. And that when I open the drum folder, I can see the audio tracks within it. The Break 1 track has 2 audio files in it. They are called Break 1, and all their particulars are found here. Let's verify this on the project page. There's Break 1. There's the 2 files. If I want to rearrange these columns, I can. Looking at the pull-down menus and the buttons at the top of the screen, we can change the time format here. This helps us see events by bars and beats, seconds, time code, etc. Next is the Add feature. Depending on what track you're on, this pull-down window will change. For example, if you're on an audio track, then you can add an empty part. The length of the part that you added will be the length of the locators. There, I've changed it there. Let's change this name to empty part. The filter section is blank for audio tracks, but the sync selection is great for automatically selecting an event in the project window when you select it in the browser window. Watch when I turn this off. None of the parts get selected on the project page. Let's turn it back on. Now they're being selected. Let's go to a MIDI track now. For MIDI tracks, I can add new notes, controller changes, program changes, aftertouch, etc. Things get added wherever the position pointer is. I can now use the filter to just see the notes or the aftertouch. Or back to everything. For the tempo and time signature track, we can easily see the tempo changes that we have, and of course add new ones. If you remember CUBASE VST, this is a little reminiscent of the list editor. The browser window is very easy to use and very powerful. Learn to use it as a great tool for finding and editing things quickly and precisely.